What would you do if you had to move extremely heavy objects weighing dozens or even hundreds of kilograms without any modern tools to help you? Would you struggle to drag them little by little using only human strength, or spend thousands of dollars on an expensive professional pulling machine? But today, everything is going to be different. Using old materials that most people would consider nothing more than scrap metal, I'm going to show you how to build an incredibly powerful winch machine capable of pulling heavy objects with impressive strength. And the most interesting part is, hidden inside this machine is a special mechanism that very few people would ever think about. Make sure to watch until the end of the video, because the further we go, the more surprising this machine becomes. First, we will prepare a strong 2-layer steel base that will serve as the solid foundation for the entire machine. After carefully measuring and marking all the necessary positions, I begin drilling the mounting holes on the frame. The next step is installing the bearings into the pre-marked positions and securing them tightly with bolts to ensure the entire system operates smoothly and can withstand heavy loads during operation. Once the basic structure is completed, the next important part is the machine's power transmission system. Instead of buying brand new components, I decided to recycle old discarded gears and turn them into the main driving mechanism of the machine. These gears will help distribute the pulling force more efficiently, making it much easier to move heavy objects. And this is also the moment when the machine finally starts to look like a real professional pulling system. After processing and adjusting the gears, I will use a small gear at the bottom and a larger gear at the top to create the proper gear ratio for the machine. Connecting these two gears is a chain that has been carefully measured to perfectly match the transmission system. Even the slightest misalignment could cause the entire mechanism to operate unstably, so this step requires extremely careful calculation and adjustment. All the small details you've seen so far are actually part of one extremely important component, the reduction gearbox of the machine. Thanks to this mechanism, the machine can stop midway while lifting or pulling heavy objects without requiring too much force to hold the load in place. Even though this component is relatively small, it is almost the heart of the entire winch system and plays a major role in both safety and performance. After everything is fully assembled, I begin connecting the winch cable to the machine and move on to the testing phase. And perhaps in the future, I will upgrade this machine with a much more powerful motor instead of using a hand crank like I am now. But for now, let's see how this DIY winch machine performs in real testing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next exciting DIY projects.